teacher.
How are you today?
Are
Are you ready for the test? Yay!
Yeah.
Yes, now look at the TV, please. What number is it? Number 1.
Number
1.
1.
1. What number is it? It's number.
Number 1.
Very good. What number is it?
Number 2.
Very good. What shape is this? It's a circle. What are these? These are eyes. How many eyes have you got? How many eyes have you got? 2 eyes. Very good. What are these? These are. Very good. How many ears have you got? 2 ears. Very good. What's this? How many noses have you got? 1 nose. Very good. What's this? 1 mouth. How many mouths have you got? 1 mouth. Alright, thank you so much. That's the end of your test. And say goodbye, teacher. Bye-bye.